Tonight's What's for Dinner, February the 6th, we're having breakfast, and we have some gravy, hash browns, bacon, sausage. We're also going to have some biscuits and some eggs. And that's What's for Dinner, February the 6th. February the 7th, What's for Dinner. Tonight's dinner, we're having pork steaks. These were marinated and had meat tenderizers, salt and peppered a little bit. Glass pan, a little bit of water in the bottom, and baked for an hour on 350. They're always come out so delicious and tender. Macaronis is one of the sides, mainly because Connor won't eat the meat. We're also going to have some rolls and homemade mashed potatoes. So that's What's for Dinner, February the 7th. What's for Dinner, February the 10th? Well, we were gone most of the day, so we went to John's dad's, we went to Walmart to grocery shop, and I picked up a frozen DiGiorno Pizza just to pop in the oven as I'm putting away the groceries and everything. Another quick, easy, not super healthy of course, but another easy meal just to feed the family real quick like on a busy day. So What's for Dinner is pizza. February the 11th, What's for Dinner? Tonight we are having homemade crock pot pulled barbecue, and I just put a roast in there overnight. I let it cook until about 12 or 1 in the evening, even though I cook it for like 12 plus hours, and I just season it a little bit, add some water, and it is super tender. And then I just pull the roast out, put barbecue, mix it up like this, and then it was 2.5 pounds, so I divided it. So tonight we're having barbecue, and tomorrow we're gonna have this with veggies and potatoes on the other half. So tonight we're having it on buns and also some crinkle cut fries. February the 12th, What's for Dinner? Tonight, like I stated yesterday, we are having the leftover roast that I put in the crock pot, and that's just the plain meat. I'm gonna have a little steak sauce with that, and a baked potato with a little bit of butter. I haven't put it in there yet. And that is What's for Dinner. February the 13th, What's for Dinner? Tonight I made homemade vegetable soup. I do have a recipe for this. The In the Kitchen playlist will be in the description box below. Over 50 recipes, you guys. Keep you busy for a long time, and lots of dinner ideas and sweets. But yes, I made homemade vegetable soup. It's so yummy on a nice cold day. I'm going to eat this with some crackers. And yes, that's What's for Dinner, February 13th. February the 14th, What's for Dinner? I baked some chicken breast. I had 2 chicken breasts. I cut them into 2s, so made 4 chicken breast pieces. I seasoned it a little bit, put a little bit of water in the bottom, and covered this with foil. Baked it for an hour. The chicken is so tender. You guys definitely should try making your chicken like that. It's so good. With some steamed broccoli, and there's some cheese on that. And I just peeled a few red potatoes and boiled those in water. And just put a little bit of butter on those. And that's What's for Dinner. February the 18th. And What's for Dinner is, I don't know how well you can see it, but it is barbecued ribs. I also made some homemade mashed potatoes, some cream corn, and yes, that's What's for Dinner. Quick, easy, kind of simple. And I know I sound awful, but I am still battling and trying to get over being sick. So yes, I have dinner made, and I'm going to just eat some mashed potatoes and some corn, because I honestly don't know if my throat can handle that meat. But super yummy, and crock pot meal for the family. Tonight's What's for Dinner, February the 21st, is just this little turkey loaf with gravy, green beans, and sliced potatoes. Just a very quick and easy, simple kind of meal. I've been so sick and not able to really cook and stuff, so I have been cooking some easy kind of meals, and that's what the box looks right there. This is the white meat one. And yesterday I made cheeseburger, hamburger helper, and peas, and that was the 20th, February the 20th. And the 19th, February 19th, for dinner we had Little Caesars. So that is what's been for dinner this past few days. February the 23rd, what's for dinner? Tonight I made boiled cabbage. This is actually a baked potato, but I took the skin off, just put butter, put a little bit of potato topping on there. You can find this at Walmart. Just put a little bit of butter, a little bit of potato topping, and cube steak. Well, that is what is for dinner, February the 23rd. February the 25th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made chicken thighs. They are shake and baked. I also made some cornbread with that. And I made carrots and mashed potatoes with the cornbread and the shake and baked chicken thighs. Well, that is what's for dinner, February the 25th.